Hey YouTube family. So I've gotten a lot of requests to do kind of like a day in the life. So today I've decided, let me film my entire day. It is Saturday morning, 9:45 a.m. It's really bright outside, as you can see. I've actually been up since like 6 o'clock this morning, just preparing my house for the cleaners. So I do have my house cleaned by my company twice a month, and I always prepare for them to come. You know, I like clean all my couch covers, I do all the laundry, and as you can see right here, we're just finishing up some laundry and getting the apartment ready for my technicians. I also decided to wash all of my couch covers at like 10 o'clock last night. I do have the event that's going on in New Jersey, so I have my friend Elsa from Elsa's Cleaning Company in St. Louis coming to visit. So of course I want to make sure everything is ready, you know, the house is clean, and I don't have to think about any of this stuff, you know, while I'm worrying about the event. I also have to stop at my older sister Jessica's house today because she's going to be handling the sound and the slides for this event. She's actually like a super professional in IT. So yeah, I'm going to go check my sister out. I've got to take Benson to the dog groomers. I'm going to try to get my nails done today. And honestly, I have some work to do also. So yeah, you guys, day in the life. Love you. See you soon. So I have just arrived at my sister Jessica's house, and I have my niece and nephew that are going to help me get some of this stuff out of my trunk. And that's Benson crying in the back because he wants to go play.
I'm in the world to the now, but they all know what I'm headed for. We about to feed these youngins to the metaverse. Meanwhile, I'm over here just trying to pen a verse. Cause I'm done being extra with the extroverts. The label used to wonder how I'm supposed to stay next to vert. Probably never thought that I would get these legs to work. I work hard, but hard don't need no extra work. That's why I show up in a sweatshirt and let it burn. The world's mine, I just say it, let it turn. The girl's mine, I just say it, have it turn.